What's the meaning of aestheticism? Aestheticism. 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 Aestheticism is an artistic and cultural movement that emerged in the 19th century, emphasizing the importance of beauty, art, and superficiality in life. It rejected the utilitarian and moralistic values of Victorian society and instead focused on the pursuit of pleasure, sensual experience, and indulgence in luxuries. Aestheticism celebrated individualism, freedom of expression, and the rejection of conventional standards. Its influence can be seen in various art forms such as painting, literature, and architecture, as well as in fashion and lifestyle choices of the time.